Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to showcase 10 cool house tools and gadgets that are going to make your life so much easier. These gadgets are designed to help you with your everyday tasks and take your home to the next level. Number 1. Meperez Garden Clippers. The Meperez Garden Clippers are a set of German-made pruners that come equipped with ratchet pruning shears. This innovative feature makes gardening tasks up to 3 times easier than traditional garden clippers. These tools are designed to make trimming roses, florals, trees, and live plants easier and more efficient. The garden clippers also come with sharp garden scissors that are perfect for precision cuts. Additionally, the design of the Meperez Garden Clippers caters to people with arthritis or weak hands. The ergonomic design and ratchet mechanism make them comfortable to use for prolonged periods without straining your hands. Overall, the Meperez Garden Clippers are a reliable and efficient choice for anyone who loves spending time in their garden, whether you're a professional landscaper or a casual hobbyist. Number 2. The Gyraitus Multi-Tool.
The Gyraitus Multi-Tool is a versatile and all-in-one gadget that can be used for a variety of everyday needs. It features multiple functions such as a multi-size bolt nut wrench, slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, ruler, bottle opener, multi-tool knife, and even a car window breaker. This tool has been designed to be highly functional and efficient, so you can easily tackle any task that comes your way. The Gyraitus Multi-Tool not only has a practical purpose but also boasts a stylish and sleek design. Its compact size makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go, so you can always have it on hand when you need it. Its high-quality construction ensures that it will last for a long time, even with frequent use. If you're looking for a tool that is both reliable and versatile, the Gyraitus Multi-Tool is an excellent choice. It's the perfect gadget for anyone who wants to have a range of tools at their disposal for any situation. Number 3. Elefana Butter Knife Spreader. The Elefana Butter Knife Spreader stainless steel is a great addition to any kitchen. It is a butter spreader knife that has been designed to make spreading cold butter a simple and effortless task. This butter knife spreader is made of high-quality stainless steel, which ensures that it will be durable and last a long time. Its unique design features small holes that allow for easy and even spreading of butter onto bread or toast. This Japanese-style butter knife is a perfect tool for anyone who loves butter. It is a versatile kitchen gadget that can be used daily or for entertaining guests. Its sleek and stylish design is sure to impress anyone who uses it. If you're looking for an easy-to-use and long-lasting butter spreader knife, the Elefana Butter Knife Spreader stainless steel is an excellent choice. You won't be disappointed with its performance and stylish appearance. Number 4. The Richard Goose Neck Angular Paintbrush with Flexible Soft Grip Handle, 2.5 is a high-quality paintbrush designed for artists and DIY enthusiasts. The paintbrush has a unique angular shape that makes it perfect for painting edges, corners, and other tight spaces with precision and accuracy. The flexible soft grip handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for greater control and reducing hand fatigue even during extended painting sessions. The 2.5 size of the brush makes it ideal for a variety of painting projects, both large and small. It can be used with a wide range of paints and is perfect for everything from small touch-ups to larger painting jobs. Overall, the Richard Goose Neck Angular Paintbrush with Flexible Soft Grip Handle, 2.5 is an excellent tool for anyone who loves painting or wants to achieve professional-looking results. Its unique design and features make it easy to use and perfect for achieving precise and accurate painting in even the tightest of spaces. Number 5. The Door Lock Child-Proof Home Security Door Reinforcement Lock is a product that is designed to increase the security of your home. This lock is installed on your door and adds an extra layer of protection to prevent break-ins or unauthorized entry. It is made from high-quality materials and can withstand up to 800 pounds of force. The lock features a double safety design that ensures maximum security. It prevents the door from being forced open even if the latch is compromised. This means that it can provide protection for your home and your family from potential intruders. Additionally, this door lock is child-proof and can help to keep your little ones safe. It prevents young children from opening the door and wandering out of the house unsupervised. Overall, the door lock child-proof, home security door reinforcement lock is a great investment for anyone looking to increase the security of their home and protect their loved ones. It is easy to install, durable, and provides peace of mind knowing that your home is protected. Number 6. Introducing the Synctrum Ultra Revolutionary Bathroom Sink Drain Protector, Stainless Steel. This innovative product is designed to keep your bathroom sink clean and free of clogs. It fits neatly inside the drain and catches hair, debris, and other particles that would otherwise cause blockages. The Synctrum Ultra is made from high-quality stainless steel, making it durable and long-lasting. It's easy to install and fits most standard bathroom sinks. What sets the Synctrum Ultra apart from other drain protectors is its design. It features a unique mushroom-shaped head that allows for maximum water flow while still catching debris. This means that your sink will drain quickly and efficiently without any clogs or backups. Cleaning the Synctrum Ultra is a breeze. Simply remove it from the drain and wipe away any debris. It can also be cleaned in the dishwasher for added convenience. Overall, the Synctrum Ultra Revolutionary Bathroom Sink Drain Protector, Stainless Steel is an essential tool for anyone who wants to keep their bathroom sink clean and free of clogs. It's durable, easy to use, and highly effective, making it a must-have for any bathroom. Number 7. Introducing slob-proof feable brush pens for interior touch-ups to drywall, cabinets, and furniture. These innovative brush pens are designed to make touch-ups around the house a breeze. They're perfect for fixing scratches, scuffs, and other imperfections on drywall, cabinets, and furniture. The slob-proof feable brush pens are easy to use. Simply fill the pen with your favorite paint or stain, and you're ready to go. The brush tip allows for precise application, so you can touch up even the smallest areas with ease. What sets the slob-proof feable brush pens apart from other touch-up tools is their storage system. The pens come with a unique storehouse that keeps your paint or stain fresh inside for up to 7 years. This means that you can always have touch-up paint or stain on hand without worrying about it drying out or becoming unusable. The slob-proof feable brush pens are also highly durable. They're made from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Plus, they're easy to clean, so you can use them again and again. Overall, the slob-proof feable brush pens for interior touch-ups to drywall, cabinets, and furniture are a must-have for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. They're convenient, effective, and highly durable, making them the perfect tool for keeping your home looking its best. Number 8. Introducing the Mr. Sega Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush Combo, the perfect cleaning tool for your bathroom. This combo set includes both a toilet plunger and a bowl brush, making it easy to keep your bathroom clean and hygienic. The toilet plunger features a durable rubber head that creates a strong suction for unclogging even the toughest toilet blockages. The bowl brush has tough bristles that effectively scrub away dirt and stains from the inside of your toilet bowl. Both the plunger and bowl brush have a comfortable, ergonomic handle that makes it easy to use them for extended periods of time. They're also designed to be easy to clean and maintain, so you can keep them looking and working great for years to come. The Mr. Sega Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush Combo is a must-have for any household. It's perfect for keeping your bathroom clean and fresh, and it's versatile enough to be used in other areas of your home as well. So if you're looking for an effective and convenient cleaning tool, look no further than the Mr. Sega Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush Combo. Number 9. Introducing the Zip-It Hair Clog Removal Drain Snake Cleaner, the perfect solution to unclog your sink, shower, and tub in seconds. This 25-inch long drain snake cleaner is designed to remove hair clogs and other blockages from your drains quickly and easily. Simply insert the Zip-It into the drain, twist, and pull out. The specially designed barbs on the end of the drain snake will grab onto the clog and pull it out, clearing the way for water to flow freely again. The Zip-It Hair Clog Removal Drain Snake Cleaner is made from non-toxic materials, making it safe for use in any drain in your home. It's also incredibly easy to use and doesn't require any special tools or expertise. Plus, with its compact size, you can easily store it in a drawer or under the sink for quick access whenever you need it. So if you're tired of dealing with slow or clogged drains, try the Zip-It Hair Clog Removal Drain Snake Cleaner. It's the simple and effective solution you've been looking for. Number 10. Introducing the StaySafe 5-in-1 Fire Extinguisher, the best small extinguisher that can tackle 5 types of fires in seconds. This fire extinguisher is designed to be versatile and effective in any situation. It can be used in your home, kitchen, car, garage, or even on your boat. And with its compact size, it's easy to store and access whenever you need it. The StaySafe 5-in-1 Fire Extinguisher is capable of tackling 5 types of fires: Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class K. That means it's effective on fires involving wood, paper, cloth, flammable liquids, electrical equipment, and even cooking oils and fats. This fire extinguisher is incredibly easy to use, even in high-pressure situations. Simply pull the safety pin, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, and squeeze the handle. The StaySafe 5-in-1 Fire Extinguisher will release a powerful spray of firefighting foam, smothering the flames and extinguishing the fire. Don't take any chances when it comes to fire safety. Keep the StaySafe 5-in-1 Fire Extinguisher in your home, car, or boat, and be prepared for any emergency. It's the small extinguisher that can make a big difference when it matters most.